Namaste. Prepare yourself. Stanga opening mantra. Samastiti. Vande Gurunam Charanarvinde Sandarsita Swatma Sukhavabodhe Nisreyase Jangalika Yamane Samsara Halahala Mohashante Abahu Pursakaram Sankhchakrasidharinam Sahasra Sirsam Svetam Pranamami Patanjalim Hold on for a second. Simple standing prayer pose. Ekam inhale, dve exhale, trini inhale head up, chatwari jump back, pancha inhale, set, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta inhale, jump forward. Asto exhale. Nava inhale, hands up. Samastiti. Ekam inhale, dve exhale, trini inhale, head up, chatwari jump back, pancha inhale, set, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta inhale, jump forward. Asto exhale. Nava inhale, hands up. Samastiti. Last one. Ekam inhale, dve exhale, trini head up, chatwari jump back, pancha inhale, set, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta jump inhale, Asto exhale, Nava inhale, hands up, समस्थितिः sun series B एकम inhale द्वे exhale त्रीणि inhale head up चत्वारि jump back पंच inhale set exhale सप्त right leg hands up inhale अष्टो exhale नव inhale दश exhale एकादश inhale left leg hands up द्वादश exhale त्रयोदश inhale चतुर्दश exhale hold don't move look your navel once again 5 breathing 1 2 3 4 5 Panchadasha inhale jump forward Sodasha exhale Saptadasha inhale hands up look your thumb Samastitihi Ekam inhale द्वे exhale त्रीणि inhale hand head up चत्वारि jump back पंच inhale set exhale सप्त right leg inhale hands up अष्टो exhale नव inhale दश exhale एकादश left inhale hands up द्वादश exhale त्रयोदश inhale चतुर्दश exhale 1 2 3 4 5 Panchadasha inhale jump Sodasha exhale Saptadasha inhale hands up Samastitihi last one Ekam inhale द्वे exhale त्रीणि inhale head up चत्वारि jump back पंच inhale set exhale सप्त right leg inhale hands up अष्टो exhale नव inhale दश exhale एकादश left inhale hands up द्वादश exhale त्रयोदश inhale चतुर्दश exhale 1 2 3 4 Panchadasha jam inhale, Sodasha exhale, Saptadasha inhale, hands up. Samastiti. Padangusthasana. Ekam inhale, hold your toe, big toe. Dve exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trihini inhale, exhale hold. Padahastasana. Inhale ekam, dve exhale. Neck straight, length your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trihini inhale, exhale. Samastiti. Stand up, close your feet. Uttita Trikonasana, 3 feet only. Ekam inhale, right leg back. Dve exhale, hold your right big toe. Hastagra Drishti, look your upper hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trihini inhale, Chatwari exhale, left side. Hastagra Drishti. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha inhale, B. Dve exhale, left hand. Cross your right ankle. Look your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trihini inhale, Chatwari exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha inhale. Samastiti. Uttita Parshakonasana. Ekam right leg back. Inhale. Dve exhale. Behind. Look your left palms. 1. Back side leg strong. 2. 3, 4, 5. Trihini inhale, Chatwari left side exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha inhale, B. Dve exhale, left elbow. Cross your right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. त्रीणि inhale, चत्वारि exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha inhale, Samasthiti. Prasarita Paduttanasana A. Ekam inhale, Dve exhale, drop your hands, keep you parallel. Inhale, head up. Trini exhale, head center, elbow parallel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari inhale, head up. Exhale. Pancha inhale, relax. B. Ekam inhale, hand shoulder level. Come starting position. Dve exhale. Again inhale. Trini exhale, head center, top your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari inhale, stand up. Exhale. C. Ekam inhale. Dve exhale, interlock behind. Again inhale. Trini exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari inhale, exhale. D. Inhale, Ekam inhale. Dve exhale, hold your toe. Inhale, head up. Trini exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chatwari inhale, up, head up. Exhale. Pancha inhale, Samasthiti. Parsha Uttanasana. Ekam, hand back, prayer pose, reverse. Dve exhale, touch nose and forehead. If you can, touch your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trini inhale, left side. Chatwari exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pancha inhale, समस्थितिः वसिष्ठासना एकम इनहेल द्वे एक्सेल त्रीणि इनहेल चत्वारि जंप बैक चतुरंग दंडासना पंच इनहेल सेट एक्सेल सप्त इनहेल right side flank exhale raise left hand asto inhale lift leg to hand hold big toe leg straight 1 2 3 4 5 now exhale lower left down inhale raise hand look up dasa exhale hand to side ekadasha inhale dwadasha exhale adho mukha svanasana trayodasha left side side flying pose right hands up chaturdasha inhale right leg to hand hold big toe 5 breathe 1 2 3 4 5 panchadasa lower right leg inhale raise hand sodasha hand to side saptadasha inhale अष्टोदशा एक्सेल अधोमुखा श्वानासना विश्वामित्र आसना सप्त right leg over right arms lift arms lay on side body balancing on right hand extend right leg 1 2 3 4 5 asto exhale left hand back to side body nava inhale both hands down to ground lift both leg dasa exhale ekadasha urdhva mukha svanasana dwadasha adho mukha svanasana prayodasha left side left leg over left arm lift right arms 1 2 3 4 5 Chaturdasha exhale right hand back to side body Panchadasha inhale both hands down lift your leg Sodasha exhale Saptadasha inhale Astodasha exhale Ekanava Vinsati jump Vinsati exhale Samastiti Kasyap asana Ekam inhale Dve exhale hand to ground Trini inhale Chatwari jump back Pancha inhale Sat exhale Sapta jump forward Exhale sit down Right leg over right shoulder resting it behind the head Inhale hands prayer pose Asto exhale lay down 1 2 3 4 5 lift left foot Nava inhale roll up balancing on buttock exhale hand down Dasa inhale Ekadasa chaturanga dandasana Dwadasha inhale Trayodasha exhale Chaturdasha jump, left side, exhale. Exhale, prayer pose, front of your heart. Panchadasa, exhale, laying down. 5 breathe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift right foot. So dasha, inhale, roll up on buttock. Exhale, hand down. Sapta, inhale. Asto dasa chaturanga dandasana. Eko nava vimsadi, inhale. Vimsadi, exhale. Chakurasana, Sapta jump. Exhale, swing right leg over right arms and the shoulder, the head. Asto, inhale, lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava, inhale, exhale, swing up and back. Dasa chaturanga dandasana. Ekadasha, inhale. Dwadasha, exhale. Prayodasha, jump forward, bend leg. Exhale, left leg over left arms. Chaturdasha, lift up. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, inhale, exhale. Sodasha, jump back, Chatwari. Saptadasha, inhale. Astodasha, exhale, Adho Svanasana. Vairav Asana. Sapta jump, inhale. Exhale, sit down. Leg over right arms and then behind the head. Asto, inhale. Exhale, leg back. Swing into downward dog with right leg behind head. Transition into side flying pose, left arm to side body. Inhale, lift arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava, exhale, left arm return to side body. Dasa, inhale, jump forward, Chakurasana. Ekadasa, Chatwari, jump back. Dwadasha, inhale. Prayodasha, exhale. Chaturdasha, left side, jump forward. Exhale, swing. Left leg over left arms and behind the head. Panchadasha, inhale. Exhale, swing into downward dog with left leg behind head. Transition into side flying pose again. Inhale, lift right arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swadasha, exhale, right arms return to side body. Saptadasha, inhale, jump, Chakurasana. Astodasha, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Eko Nava, Vinsadi, inhale. Vinsadi, exhale, Adho Svanasana. Skanda Asana. Sapta jump. Exhale, sit down. Right leg over right arms and behind the head. Asto, inhale. Exhale. Come to half standing on floor. Right leg remain behind head. 1. Head or chin with shin bone. 2, 3, Nava, inhale, Chakurasana. Dasa, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Ekadasha, inhale. Dwadasha, exhale. Trayodasha, jump forward left side. Exhale, sit. Now this time, left leg over left arms. Chaturdasha, inhale. Exhale forward, 5 breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchadasha, inhale, Chakurasana. Sodasha, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Saptadasha, inhale. Astodasha, exhale. Durvasana, Saptajam. Exhale, sit down, swing right leg over right arms and behind the head. Asto, inhale. Come first, Skandasana. Inhale, balancing on left leg, stand all the way up well, right leg remain behind the head. Finally, hands come into prayer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, hand back into floor. Once again, Skandasana. Nava, inhale, Chakurasana. Dasa, Chatwari. Ekadasha, inhale. Dwadasha, exhale. Trayodasha, jump left side. Exhale, sit down. Adjust your left leg. Chaturdasha, inhale. Once again, balancing on your right leg this time. After got balance, come to prayer pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, hand back into flow, Skandasana, slowly. Panchadasha, inhale, Chakurasana. Sodasha, Chatwari, jump back. Saptadasha, inhale. Astadasha, exhale. Ekonava, Vinsati, jump. Vinsati, exhale. Samastiti. Urdhva Kukutasana, A. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale. Chatwari, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Set, exhale. Sapta, jump. Head down. Mukta Hasta Sirsasana, head balance. Asto, fold leg into lotus position, Padmasana. Nava, exhale, lower your knee towards. Inhale, lift the head, straight the arms. 1, 2, gaze your nose. 3, 4, 5. Exhale, head down. Dasa, inhale, come to headstand. Ekadasha, Chaturanga Dandasana. Dwadasha, inhale. Trayodasha, exhale. Urdhva Kukutasana, B. Sapta, jump through, sit down, straight arms. Asto, exhale, fold leg into Padmasana. Nava, inhale, lift up into and swing back through, place knee on the upper arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasa, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Ekadasha, inhale. Dwadasha, exhale. Urdhva Kukutasana C. Saptajam. Exhale, sit down. Asto, four leg into Padmasana. Place hand in front of your knee. Shift weight to your hands. Now inhale, slide upward, Padmasana. Breathe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasa, exhale, Chaturanga. Ekadasha, inhale. Dwadasha, exhale. Galva Asana, Saptajam. Exhale, lower the head down, inhale. Mukta Hasta Sirsasana. Asto, exhale. Place right lower leg on the upper arms. Now inhale, lift the head up, straight the arms. Left leg upward. 1, 2, 3. Gaze nose. 4, 5. Exhale, lower the head down again. Dasha, inhale, lift the into Mukta Hasta Sirsasana. Ekadasha, exhale, place left lower leg on the upper arms close to the exhales. Dwadasha, inhale, head up, lift the head up. Straight the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, lower the head down again. Trayodasha, inhale, lift up into Mukta Hasta Sirsasana. Chaturdasha, Chatwari. Panchadasha, inhale. Shodasha, exhale. Ekapada Bakasana, Saptajam. Lower head down. Come to Mukta Hasta Sirsasana. Asto, exhale, lower right knee. Place it on the right elbow. Now inhale, lift the head, straighten arms as you can. 1, lift backside leg. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, lower the head down. Inhale, lift up into Mukta Hasta Sirsasana. Dasa, exhale, another leg, lower left knee. Dwadasha, inhale, lift the head up, straight arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower the head down. Trayodasha, inhale, lift up again, head balance. Chaturdasha, exhale. Panchadasha, inhale. Swadasha, exhale. Ekapada Bakasana B. Saptajam. Mukta Hasta Sirsasana. Asto, exhale. Lower right knee toward the right. Bring left leg forward over the right upper arms. Now inhale, lift the head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, lower head down. Dasa, inhale, lift. Ekadasha, exhale. Dvadasa, inhale, lift the head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower head, exhale. Trayodasa, lift up again. Mukta Hasta Sirsasana. Chaturidasa, Chaturanga Dandasana. Panchadasa, inhale. Sodasa, exhale. Kondian Asana A. Saptajam. Once again, Mukta Hasta Sirsasana. Asto, exhale. Lower leg parallel to the floor. Rotate to the right, lower down further into the upper arms. Nava, inhale. Lift the head up. Upper arms parallel to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, head down. Dasa, inhale. Mukta Hasta Sirsasana. Ekadasa, exhale. Left side, leg parallel. Dvadasa, head up. Upper arms parallel to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, lower head again. Trayodasha, inhale. Lift into Mukta Hasta Sirsasana. Chaturdasha, Chaturanga Dandasana. Panchadasha, inhale. Sodasha, exhale. Lift your head. Kondian Asana B. Sapta, inhale. Jump forward. Asto, exhale. Once again, lower leg parallel, right side. Nava, inhale. Lift the head up. 1 leg back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, lower the head again. Dasa, inhale. Knee straight. Ekadasa, exhale. Lower leg parallel to the floor. Rotate to the left. Dvadasha, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, lower head. Trayodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, jump back. Panchadasha, inhale. Shodasha, exhale. Astavakrasana A. Saptajam, inhale. Asto, exhale. Bring leg to the right, wrap them around the right arms. Nava, inhale. Lift the head up. Upper arms parallel. 1. Gaze your nose. 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasa, inhale. Ekadasa, exhale. Dvadasa, head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. Trayodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Panchadasha, inhale. Sodasha, exhale. Astavakrasana B. Sapta, jump forward. Bend leg in the air. Asto, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nava, exhale. Chaturanga Dandasana. Dasa, inhale. Ekadasa, exhale. Dwadasa, jump left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trayodasa, exhale. Chaturanga Dandasana. Chaturdasha, inhale. Panchadasa, exhale. Urdhva Dhanurasana, Saptajam. Lay down. Asto, prepare. Bend your knee, hand back under your shoulder. Nava, inhale, rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasa, exhale. Walk hand forward. Nava, inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dasa, exhale. Little in more. Again come. Last one. 1, 2. Knee little close, come parallel. 3, 4, 5. Dasa, up. Inhale, stand up. Samastiti. Drop back. Prayer position. Go back, inhale. Exhale, down. Inhale, slowly come prayer pose. Samastiti. Second time. Inhale. Go back. Exhale. Inhale up. Come to prayer pose. Samastiti. Now last one, steady yourself. Inhale. Exhale. Any position as far as you can, please. 5 breathe. 1, 2, little knee straight. 3, 4, 5. Dasha, inhale, come to prayer position. Exhale, Samastiti. Paschimuttanasana. Ekam, inhale. 2, exhale. 3, inhale. 4, Chaturanga Dandasana. 5, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 7, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 7, jump through. Leg straight forward. Asto, catch your wrist. Exhale, folding. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relaxing your breath. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale, head up, exhale. Dasa lift up, Ekadasa jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Dwadasa inhale, Triyodasa exhale, Salamba Sarvangashana. Sapta jump through, exhale, lay down flat. Asto inhale, lift your leg. 1, gaze your toe. 2, 3, 4, don't move your leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halasana. Asto exhale. Lower your leg to point it. 1. Interlock your finger. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lift your hip. 7. Palm together. 8. Karna Pidasana. Asto exhale. Bend your knees, cover your ear, closer. Hand position same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nava Urdhva Padmasana. Lift your leg straight. Hold it into lotus. 1. Spine straight, elbow straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pindasana. Now exhale, lower down. Catch your wrist or catch your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Matsyasana. Now exhale, down your spine, drop your hip, catch your toe, keep your arms straight. 1, 2, kiss your nose. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thana Padasana. Nava inhale. Extend your leg. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale. Dasa Chakrasana. Leg behind your head, rolling back. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Ekadasha inhale. Dwadasa exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Sapta, prepare headstand for Sirsasana. Headstand. Asto inhale, lift up your leg. Get your leg to point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Half bend. Now exhale, lower the leg 90 degree, 2 point. 1, gaze your nose. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your leg one place, don't move. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dasha, inhale, starting position, leg up. Exhale, slowly lower down, sitting on your knee, and hip drop, comfortable your heel. Balasana, child pose, hand back. Ekadasha, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Dwadasha, inhale. Paryodasha, exhale. Baddha Padmasana. Sapta, jump through, straight leg forward. Asto, take a lotus pose, Padmasana. Right leg first, wrapping the arms, left leg. Yoga Mudra. Now exhale, folding forward, gaze your nose, drop your head and possible drop your chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Asto, inhale coming up. Palm place on your knee. Keep your Gyan Mudra position. Chin down, lower belly in. 1, 2, pelvis straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Utputtihi. Now inhale, lift up, gaze your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dasa, inhale, lift up. Ekadasa, jump back. Dwadasa, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Trayodasa, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Chaturdasa, L jump. Panchadasa, exhale. Shodasa, inhale. Samastiti. Lay down. Support your elbow. Relax completely. Thank you for your practice. Keep practicing, guys. See you soon with another lesson. Take care. Namaste.